Alrighty guys, these are the elevators here at 218 North 3rd here in Burlington, Iowa. And we got some visual Montgomery.
Whoa.
Yo, this is cool. Oh my gosh. I'm so short I can't reach the 8 button. Here we go, up to 8. Yeah, this is cool. Here we go. Oh yeah. Holy crap, I cannot believe I found this in a... Yo, this is cool. Not a day phone. This is cool. Yes, we found an original Montgomery in the high-rise building. Look at all those buttons. Man, that's nuts.
Wow.
Yeah. He's an update. That is the tallest COP I've ever seen in person.
I hit 8.
Yeah, you did. It's gonna close. There we go. Now I'm going to push down. Otis. Yo, look at this. This actually used to be Otis.
This panel's a lot lower.
Oh yeah. And look at that. That is the original indicator from Otis. This is so interesting. That is really interesting. Let's go 8. Oh yeah. Wow. Not a day phone. Look at these beautiful Montgomery square buttons. Wow. This is just crazy, man. Sadly, I think these are going to get modded in the next couple of years because Iowa's new elevator codes. That's all I said. Sadly, these things are going to get modded in the next couple of years because of Iowa's new strict codes. But nevertheless, this is a really neat building. And with that being said, I guess that is going to be it for me.